Okay, here we have Gause Garage here in Sarasota. Classic cars here in North Sarasota on University and 301. And this little lovely, it's a 70 Roadrunner, factory 4-speed, but it has a little addition up in the engine bay. So let's have a look at it. Typical bench seat interior, correct 70. Comes with Wiley sitting over in the passenger seat. You can see the pistol grip handle, 4-speed on it, tack. And then here's the surprise. And evidently they have something customized. It's HEMI, 735 horsepower, 540 cubic inch. And I believe it because look at the heads on that thing, man. Holy guacamole. It's originally a 383 Roadrunner. Very tastefully done. Restoration services are very nice. And the paint is incredible. So, yeah, they're asking a buck and a half for this car, and they'll likely get it because the level of work is very nice. Paint and body is phenomenally well done. All the details are good. Exactly like what I would look for in a car if I were buying something like this. But sure enough, man. And there you have it, Mopar fans. 735 horsepower 70 Roadrunner with a 4-speed transmission. I would say it's a likely candidate for a 5-speed to throw in there. But in any event, real nice car. This is Gause Garage, Sarasota Classic Cars.